Some tools look utterly useless until you see them in action. Today's Cool Tools features a few that look like real-life hacks. And the last one is almost unbelievable. AvaPow Car Jump Starter. The AvaPow Jump Starter is basically a defibrillator for dead cars battery dead at the worst moment. This pocket-sized beast can restart an engine up to 40 times on one charge. Just clamp it on, hit the button, and watch a completely lifeless car roar back to life. It also doubles as an emergency power bank and survival flashlight. Altdorf Manual Twist Tiller for gardening. This tool looks harmless until it starts ripping through rock-hard dirt like a blender. The Altdorf Twist Tiller uses sharp steel claws to crush compacted soil with almost no effort, just twist and push. Weeds get torn out, air and water flow back into the ground, and somehow this simple tool makes gardening weirdly satisfying to watch. Cordless tiller cultivator compatible. This cordless tiller looks like a toy until it starts chewing through dirt at 270 RPM. The Melif cultivator spins 48 steel claws that rip up hard soil, weeds, and dead grass in seconds. Just pull the trigger and walk. Suddenly, your backyard looks machine-built, and somehow, this beast costs only $89 US. Handheld water transfer pump. You've probably never seen this before. Your flooded yard doesn't stand a chance against this thing. The brushless stick water pump can move up to 720 gallons of water every hour. Like turning a mini fire hose on a disaster, drop it in, pull the trigger, and watch pools, barrels, or flooded corners drain insanely fast. It feels illegal how easy this is. DeWalt 20V Max 10 R-Cut-Off Tool. This DeWalt cutter doesn't slice materials, it attacks them. Concrete, tile, metal. This thing tears through almost anything with 550 MWO of pure chaos. Sparks fly everywhere while the built-in LED lights up the cut like a movie scene. And the craziest part? It cuts with terrifying precision, almost too clean to believe. Is this tool worth the investment? Makita self-feeding screwdriver. This Makita screwdriver looks completely normal until it starts firing screws like a machine gun. The DFR 550Z auto-feeds every screw automatically, hitting 4,000 RPM with almost zero pause. Just hold the trigger and glide across the wall. No grabbing screws, no stopping. It's so fast, watching someone use it feels strangely satisfying. AMIR electric screwdriver. This tiny screwdriver is smaller than your phone, but it builds furniture like a robot. The AMIR electric screwdriver spins screws in seconds with one button, and even lights up dark corners automatically. Toss it in your pocket and fix almost anything anywhere. And somehow, this little gadget costs only $19 US. CZ electric caulking gun. This tool makes installing giant tiles look ridiculously easy. The CC combo uses a vacuum suction cup that can hold up to 200 kilograms, like carrying a wall with one hand. Then, the cordless caulking gun lays down perfect adhesive lines with almost zero mess. Watching this thing work feels more satisfying than it should. Wait until you see tool number 12. It's on a whole different level. Tile vibration leveling machine. This machine literally vibrates tiles into perfect position. The cordless tile vibration leveler shakes at up to 25,000 vibrations per minute, forcing air bubbles out while locking tiles flat to the floor. Just stick, press, and let the machine do the hard part. It looks more like a sci-fi gadget than a tile tool. Set of 2 lifting arms. These tiny tools can lift up to 880 pounds like it's nothing. The labor-saving arm lets one person raise doors, cabinets, or giant tiles with just a squeeze of the handle, no back strain, no extra hands. Just click, lift, and lock it in place. It honestly feels like cheating at construction. Vevor portable bandsaw. This next one is absolutely insane. This Vevor band saw cuts through solid metal so smoothly, it almost looks fake. The 10-amp motor slices pipes, steel, and wood with barely any sparks flying. Just line it up and let the blade glide through like butter, and somehow, this handheld beast can cut material up to 5 inches thick. Wen bandsaw with stand. The Wen bandsaw looks calm until the blade starts flying through wood like it's cardboard. This thing cuts curves, angles, and thick boards with terrifying smoothness. Flip the switch, guide the material, and watch perfect cuts appear in seconds. And somehow, this compact machine can slice pieces up to 6 inches deep without struggling. Wen Blaster Electric Snow Thrower. This machine doesn't clear snow, it launches it. The Wen Blaster throws up to 490 pounds of snow every single minute, blasting it nearly 20 feet away like a winter flamethrower. Just push it forward and watch sidewalks instantly reappear. The wildest part? It turns a brutal snowstorm into something weirdly fun to watch. Skill benchtop drill press. This skill drill press looks like something from a sci-fi workshop. The laser alignment locks onto your target, so every hole lands dead center with terrifying precision. Wood and metal don't stand a chance once this thing starts drilling. Just pull the handle and watch perfect cuts happen instantly. And somehow this machine costs only $215. Cordless threaded rod cutter DeWalt. You've probably never seen this before. This DeWalt tool cuts solid steel rods like they're plastic straws. No sparks, no screaming grinder noise. Just one squeeze, and the threaded rod drops with a perfectly clean cut. The craziest part? You can thread the nut on immediately without fixing the edges. It feels less like a cutter and more like industrial magic. SKY Touch rechargeable headlamp flashlight. This headlamp turns you into a human flashlight. The SKY Touch headlamp lasts 800 lumens so bright it can light up an entire trail at night. And the craziest part? You control it with a wave of your hand like sci-fi tech, no buttons. No fumbling in the dark. Once you try this, normal flashlights feel ancient